Welcome back. In this lesson, we will be creating a new user type, and we will also be installing the bcrypt package because our user passwords will be encrypted using bcrypt. So let's install the bcrypt package. So I will be doing go get and golang. Again, we've done this in the previous series, so this should not be new to you, those of you who have watched the previous series. So x crypto / bcrypt, and let's get the latest. Okay, so that is installed, and so what we want to do now is to create a new file for users, for the user type. So I'm just going to say touch internal / data, and I will name this file users.go. Okay. Let me copy this. And let's open our users.go. Okay, so file name will be, I'll paste this, internal / data / users.go. And of course, this will be in package main. And let's import, for now, errors and time. Okay. All right. Let's just go ahead and also import bcrypt. So golang.org /x /crypto / bcrypt. Okay. Great. Now let's create our new user type. Okay. And one thing we want to mention, or I'll just mention it while I'm typing. So we have a new user. Okay. Of course, it's a struct, and we'll have ID int64, and let's add some tags. Right. We will be having created at, and that will be time, and let's have our struct tag created at. Great. Next, we'll be having name, which is of type string. Let me add this struct tag. Name. And then we will be having email, which is also of type string. Okay. After email, we will have a password, and we will create a special type called password. Okay, so password is of type password, and we will create that right now, the password type. But for now, we don't want the password to be shown in the JSON response, so we're going to put the dash. Okay, and then of course you're going to have activated, to keep track of whether the user has activated their account. So we're going to have a activated struct tag, and finally we'll have a version which is of type int, and we also don't want that to be shown in our JSON response, so we will use the dash. Alright, so that is our type, our user type. So what I want to do now is to simply create the password type. So I'm going to create a custom password type. Okay, so this password type will contain two fields. One of them will be the plain text, so the plain text for the password that the user types in, and we will let that be a pointer to a string. So there is a possibility that it can remain nil. Okay, and then we will have the hash field, which will be a byte slice, which will contain the hash after we've sent the plain text password through bcrypt. Alright, so that's it. I will leave it here for this video. Again, we have created the user type, and so in the next lesson we will write two helper methods on the password type that allows us to set the password and for us to match, to check whether the password the user enters is correct. So I'll see you in that next lesson.